Hello children. Today's topic is triangulation method for height of an accessible object. Triangulation method. Triangulation method for height of an object. Height of an accessible object. That means we have to find out that height of an object by using triangular method. That is the topic. We can find the height of a tree, height of the tall building. Now I plan to find the height of a building. Consider AB. AB is the height of the building. Height of the building H. Height of the building. Consider there is a point. Name of the point is C. C is the point of observation from B. So the distance between B and C is x. X is the distance between the B and the point of observation. Place a range finder at point C. At point C to find the angle of elevation. Theta we got. Theta is the angle of elevation. So to find the angle of elevation, we have to place a range finder at the point C. Now we get angle ABC is equal to theta. ABC is equal to theta. From the right angle triangle, from the right angled triangle, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta equal to AB by BC. Opposite of theta is AB. Adjacent is BC. So AB by BC. We know well that AB is equal to H, BC is equal to X. Now tan theta is equal to H by X. Now H is equal to tan theta into X, or height is equal to tan theta into X. If we know X, we can determine height of an object. Thank you.